When I create a purchase order, I've got essentially the information that I need. If I've got multiple vendors that I order this from, I can pick either a default or I can buy it from a specific vendor at a specific time. That information essentially gives me the purchase order information here, where I'm writing it to, who my vendor is, what my expected ship date is, what my amount is, and then I capture the purchase order lines that I'm buying from, in this case, Allied Technologies, and you kind of see that listed over here. At some point, this inventory is going to come into my warehouse, and at that point, I'll receive the goods into inventory. And when I get to that point, I've got my items listed here from my vendor, and I simply capture what warehouse I want this to go into. Maybe they're all going into Burlington, and what location I want that inventory to go to. And once I've got that put together and I get my quantities kind of captured here, and this can default in if I need it to, I can also have the user basically type this in, or if they're using their phone, kind of scan it in. I grab this information and I save, and that writes that back into inventory. Remember back when we looked at the product a while ago, I captured all the accounting treatment at that item level for the product. And so when I post this, that essentially moves that inventory into inventory and captures the GL accounting treatment behind the scenes as well. I can create a PO from this if I want to, an actual printable version of this, or I can skip that and just kind of go straight to create payables so that I know when I get there, I've got to create an invoice and pay for it. I'm not going to show that, that's the accounting treatment, but I've got the ability to do that right from here. We can automate that as well.